Hello, welcome to GOT. We are going to unbox the Google Pixel 4 watch, and I'm going to pair it probably with the Pixel Fold simply because I can put a SIM card in this. And we're going to test it out for the next few days. But for this video, we're going to just do the unboxing and talk about it as I do. So as you see right here, there's a little pull tab. Those are kind of cool that it just kind of opens it up. So this thing will just slide out of this cover, and it should just slide out to one side or the other as we go there. Get that off of there. And then you have the box here. It looks like there's a pull tab here. You can either pull it either way, and it pulls right on through. Oh, it's a two-piece, so that's pretty nifty. So what's on this side? Is this the watch itself? Yeah, there we go. That's the watch itself. And of course, with these watches, you get just the face, I guess, and the band is separately. That's pretty interesting. This is a 65-inch watch. 65-inch. It's a 45-inch watch band or watch face. They have both 45 millimeters. I said inch. 45 millimeters and 41 millimeters. This is the larger size. And as you see here, the watch band, it has the watch charger is the little puck here. It's a different shape this year. This is interesting. It's not perfectly round. And I get this thing out of here. Look at that. That's totally different. Never seen it like this before. Let me plug this in the power real quick and let's see. Oh, there's the connectors right there. This is a totally different style watch, folks. I've never seen anything like this before. Looks like a flying saucer. If you look at it, it's just crazy. That has these two open sides that are interesting. I don't really know what that is. Oh, that's where the watch band goes. Never mind. Duh. And then we have the connectors here for charging, and it just pops into the look at that. Just pops into the charger like that. Stands up, and then as you can see here, it's opening up there. Trying to place it so you can see it. So that's real interesting. And then I guess on the other side of this pull tab is empty box now, where my band will be. So let's go ahead and pull that out. And there's some other stuff down here underneath. What in the world is, have a lot of stuff here. I guess this is just, oh no, there's the watch band. And then this is just more books on it. You know, your manual. And what is in here then? This is very curious. Another watch band. Oh, they give you two different sizes. And that's the extension in case this one isn't long enough. So that's really interesting there. And then I guess this is just a little tab that goes on there. Okay, so you pick which one you think you're going to need. I'm probably going to need the longer one. I have a kind of a fat wrist, I guess. I'm not sure. But I think I'm going to probably need the larger one. And it looks like they just pop on there real easy. I was hoping to get a percentage here, but I'm not doing that. Now, it comes with a button here. Does it spin? Yeah, it spins. I don't know if that does anything. And then a button here, which may be a power button. As you can tell, I have not had a Pixel watch before, so this will be one of my first. And I don't know how well they work. I'm sure they work good. And we're going to pair it with, like I said, my Pixel Fold. There we go. Keep the watch close to a phone. So I guess it's wanting to pair right now. We'll let it do its thing here. Yeah, let's see if we can tip. Strangest thing just occurred. Both my front view camera and my top view camera both stopped recording around the same time, which is just kind of odd. So I'm going to go ahead and complete this. I went through the whole show here and didn't realize that happened. So anyway, everything is set up. It's paired with my watch now. And so I'm just going to go ahead and put this thing together. I think that stands pretty interesting. I guess you can put the watch on there really easy with the watch bands. Let's see how I get this the right way. This one has got to go this way because this is how it goes on my wrist. So the way this works is you have to take these little teeth here and line them up just off-centered here. And then you slide this on like so, and you put them towards the button. There's a button right here to release them when you want to take it off. So you take this a little bit off-center and press it on there, and then you just slide. Oops, kind of tricky. Get in there. Just gotta line it up just right. And then slide it. There we go. Got that one done. Now do the same thing over here. The button's on that side. So this has got to go over here this way. Goes in and slides. So once you get it down, I'm sure it's a lot easier. It's just kind of funky. Get it in there and slide. Come on. In there and slide. There you go. Now slide. Nope. I thought it would be easy. Let's see. I already did it once off camera. And now try to do it again. It doesn't want to work. Come on. Get in there. So get up there and slide. There we go. Whoop. No. Oh my goodness. Come on now. Maybe do it this way. Okay, yeah, put it on the side where the button is and then slide it. So there you go. And to put it on your wrist, I don't like these kind simply because they're just difficult to do one-handed. I like to just slip my hand through and like you see on my Samsung watch there. So there you go. Put that in there and then that goes into the back side to hide it. And there you go. It's a nice bit. And you can see how different it is. It's larger than the Apple Watch, but quite a bit smaller than the Samsung Watch. Now, we're going to find out, will this get scratched up? Because the Apple Watch gets scratched up. I don't know about this one. And the Samsung does not, simply because it has a ridge on it. I may have already covered this. So, I like this style better, although it is a lot larger. This is very light. I barely feel like I have it on. So we'll go ahead and test it out for a few days and come back and do an updated video on what I think of this watch. So stay tuned, and I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, God bless.